Hello, everyone. Today is Friday, March 10th, 2023. I wanted to review a trade I made in ES today. It was profit, so fortunately it was green. And I wanted to share with you why I entered and what was the setup and also the trigger, why I entered at that level. Before I get started, let me remind you to check the description. There's an 80% discount on Apex funding that it's going to expire on March 21st. So just wanted to share that with you. If you think that this is something that you want to take advantage of, that it is a good alternative. So make sure to check it. It's in the description of this video. The coupon is there, so you can get the 80% discount. The other thing is, please press the like button if you like the content of this video, and if you are taking advantage of them. That's the only way I can know if you are if you like it and if you are taking advantage of them. So okay, so let's get started. So yesterday there was a large move in the afternoon that obviously I missed. I don't trade normally in the afternoon, but there was a large move here that you can see it in the 30 minutes. So it was, all of this move happened after around noon. It started to sell off and went and moved to the downside. Now, in the overnight, kept moving down all the way to 38.86, and then recovered a little bit before the market opened. And then at 8:30, there was a news. There were news, and so the market made an up down move, and then moved to the downside. And that is when I took the trade. So let's review that. So you see in the overnight, the area of compression was I'm going to mark it right here. You can see it. You can see it clearly at 8:30 a.m., which is this area here. I'm going to mark it. It's around this area here, 8:30. You can see that one there, and it was very choppy all the way to this area, right? So it moved very very fast. In between there, you see up down up down. So in 1 minute, took a lot of people that were in the market out. So and then started to get a little bit more quiet. Market made a low here and started to move up, and then there was a move to the upside there as well. So all of this was very very choppy. Now the choppiness continued there, and then started to sell off a little bit and hit the previous high right here. Let me expand this one a little bit so you can see it better. So and now we are having the stack Renko, which is this indicator I have here. At that point was red. We have all the moving averages move to the downside and moving there. I did not take this trade. I should have, but I did not take it. This one is a break of a compression in here. So you have the compression in this area. In this area here, you have the compression, and then you have the break right below, probably that low there. So around that tick over there. So you do have, and I didn't take it because we were too close. There are a couple of things. We were before the market open at 9:15, and the second reason was that we were too close to the VWAP area. So I let it go, and I didn't trade that. Okay, so now the market opened and then moved to the upside and then went back down. This one was a good entry. Actually, you see that there is a bearish signal in the momentum. You do have there's fast and slow lines going up, and then you have a trigger right there. All the moving averages are pointing down, and they are stacked as well. Well, this one is not pointing down at this point, but it's below the other. So it's the what I wanted to say is that the stack Renko was in red, and that was an excellent indication that this there was going to be continuation of this, and it's also rejecting the VWAP there. So that one was good, was also a good entry. Now I took the entry on in the week out of the moving averages. In this case, the 34 EMA, and I took it for only one target. So that one is a $250 profit right there per contract. So I multiply that one per 9. So that is the profit for today. And I'm trading, since I am trading 9 contracts. I'm only targeting the first contract there. So if you are trailing and then you are putting 2 or more contracts there, so that would be your first target, and then you can have probably make money in this at this level or at that level as well. So there is a potential to make more money per in the second contract on that. What I'm doing is only one contract, and so I'm not taking advantage of that. Anyway, so that's the only trade I made. Now there were some there was some choppiness after that, and you see that and I was expecting this one, that the market was not going to do to be trending in a second day, and just because the move yesterday was actually pretty large in the afternoon. So really, I was expecting which has happened, I think, during the day today, that you do have a large move, and then the next day it's kind of choppiness. And also you have to consider that next week on Tuesday there is also inflation data that is coming in. So there is a consolidation area here. In this area you have compression. That is where I took the trade right here, and then after that there is a not really a direction until the breakout of compression. Now it seems that the market it's trying to break to the upside off of this opening range here, and move to the upside all the way to the to this line here, which is the 2 standard deviation on VWAP, and then it's bouncing back down. So I think that one trade it's okay for today, and I was not expecting the market to be trending today, so that was it. The market that let's see, the market that had a large move today was crude, and I mean gold. Gold really, exploded out of this one, and actually after this opening range, went there, went up, and then visited, and then from here just gave a big move to the upside, and I was not sure to take it just because I was defining levels, and I'm not really I was not really paying attention to this move. I saw it, the setup, but I hesitated to take it, and then when I was deciding, it was a little bit too much or already extended. Well, never say too much, because it went and moved all the way up there. Anyways, really nice trend in gold. Hopefully, any of you who are watching this video were able to take it. I did not. Um, so yeah, that is one, and then it seems that now crude is trying to move to the upside. If you see, if you visit the the 30 minutes chart in crude is actually moving to the upside, but it still is fighting against this um, uh, 200 moving average there. So yeah, it is in the range still. We'll see if it's able to move up and then come back down and move up again. But it's in a choppy area, I would say. It is nice. I mean, this move was is actually a nice setup on in CL. Um, all right, so I think that is what I wanted to share with you. I wanted to just share the ES. I don't think that ES is going to move that much more up. I think that it's going to come down, and but I would say that probably I was wrong today. Yesterday, I thought that it was going to be a range day, but proved me wrong after lunch. Um, Today, I think that it's going to maintain, again, it's going to maintain the choppiness. We'll see what is going to happen. You never know. Okay, thank you so much for watching. And I won't be doing videos for about 2 weeks. So see you after, I believe that the 28th is when I come back. Thank you so much for watching.